Albert was tempted to point on that most of the time it was she who made the howl, but he decided it was better not to say nothing. I must get away from here, he told Yuri after 6 months alone in Munich. It is absurd that I should go on like this. In the end, it will turn out I have been wasting my father's money and everyone's time. It will be better for all if I stop now. And then what will you do? Yuri asked. I don't know. If I go to Milan, I'm afraid my father will send me back unless his eyes gleamed with a sudden idea. Yuri, do you know any friendly doctors? I know a lot of medical students, and some of them are friendly, said Yuri. Doctor, no, I have never had enough money to go to one. Why? Suppose, said Albert, that I have a nervous breakdown. Suppose a doctor would say it's bad for me to go to school and I need to get right away from it. I can't imagine a doctor saying that, said Yuri. I must try, said Albert, to find a doctor who specializes in nerves. There are plenty of them, Yuri told him. He hesitated for a moment and then added rather reluctantly, I'll ask some of the students if they know one, if you like. Will you? Oh, thank you, Yuri. Albert's eyes were shining. Okay. अब यहाँ एल्बर्ट को एक आइडिया आया कि अगर ऐसा हो पाए कि कोई डॉक्टर इनको लिख के दे दे कि इनका नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन है और इनको क्लास में बैठना सही नहीं है या पढ़ाई करना सही नहीं है, तो ऑफ कोर्स इनको स्कूल से निकाल दिया जाएगा और फिर ये मिलान जा सकते हैं जहाँ ये अपनी फर्दर पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं या कुछ और जो काम करना चाहें वो कर सकते हैं. और ये आइडिया से एल्बर्ट को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था सोच के. और यूरी ने कहा कि हाँ, मैं कुछ तो मेडिकल लोगों को जानता हूँ जो ये कर सकते हैं, तो मैं देख के बताता हूँ. Page number 101. Wait a moment, I haven't found one yet. Oh, but you will, and if I do, I don't know if he'll be willing to help you. He will, declared Albert. I'm going to have a real nervous breakdown to make it easier for him. He laughed merrily. I never seen you look less nervous, replied Yuri. A day or two school will soon put that right, Albert assured him. Certainly he had lost all his high spirits when Yuri saw him next. I can't stand it any longer, he said. I really shall have a nervous breakdown that will satisfy any doctor. Keep it up then, said Yuri. I found a doctor for you. You have. Albert's face lit up. Oh good. When can I see him? I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening, Yuri said. Here's the address. He handed Albert a piece of paper. Okay. अब यहाँ पर एल्बर्ट बहुत परेशान हो गए थे स्कूल जा जा के. उनने कहा मेरा रियल नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन हो जाएगा ऐसे तो. और इधर पर यूरी बहुत उम्मीद से आए क्योंकि उनने कहा कि हाँ, मुझे एक डॉक्टर मिल गया है और कल इवनिंग में जाना है. ये उसका एड्रेस है. डॉक्टर अर्नेस्ट विल, ही इज़ अ स्पेशलिस्ट इन नर्वस ट्रबल्स, asked Albert. Not exactly, Yuri admitted. As a matter of fact, he only qualified as a doctor last week. You may even be his first patient. You knew him as a student then. I have known Ernest for years. Yuri hesitated for a few moments. He's not a fool, he warned Albert. What do you mean? Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes, that's all. Be frank with him, but don't pretend you've got what you haven't. Not that you'd deceive anyone, Yuri added. You'd be the world's worst liar. ओके. अब यहाँ पर डॉक्टर का नाम अर्नेस्ट व्हील है और यूरी इन्हें बहुत टाइम से जानते हैं और ये शायद अभी एक वीक पहले ही क्वालिफाई हुए हैं, डॉक्टर बने हैं. तो ऑफ कोर्स सी बात है, ये फर्स्ट ही पेशेंट होगा एल्बर्ट. तो उनने कहा कि आप एल्बर्ट से कहा यूरी ने कि आप उनको बिल्कुल सही सही बताना. अगर आपने मजाक में या कुछ उनको ऐसा फूल करने की कोशिश की तो फॉर एंड श्योर वो आपको ये नहीं देंगे सर्टिफिकेट. Albert sent the next day, wondering what to tell the doctor. When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. I don't really know how to describe my trouble, Dr. Wheel, he began. Don't try, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Yuri had already given me a history of the case. Oh, what did he say? Only that you want to think that you have had a nervous breakdown and said that you mustn't go back to the school. Oh dear, Albert's face fell. He shouldn't have told you that. Why not? Isn't it true then? Yes, that's the trouble. Now you will say there's nothing wrong with me and you'll tell me to go back to school. Don't be too sure of that, said the doctor. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure you are in a nervous state about the school. ओके अब यहाँ पर बात हो रही है एल्बर्ट की और डॉक्टर की और डॉक्टर को पहले ही यूरी ने सब बता दिया था तो इधर पर यही डिस्कशन हो रहा है और एल्बर्ट को लग रहा है कि डॉक्टर इसे सर्टिफिकेट नहीं देंगे. Next page 102. But I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert, wide eyed. How can you know that? Because you wouldn't have come to see me about this if you haven't been pretty close to a nervous breakdown. That's why. Now, said the doctor briskly, if I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and must stay away from the school for a while, what will you do? I'll go to Italy, said Albert, to Milan, where my parents are. And what will you do there? I'll try to get into an Italian college or institute. How can you without a diploma? I'll ask my mathematics teacher to give me something about my work, and perhaps that will be enough. I've learned all the maths they teach at school and a bit more, he added when Dr. Whale looked doubtful. Okay, अब यहाँ पर डॉक्टर पूछ रहे हैं कि इधर स्कूल छोड़ने के बाद आप क्या करने वाले हैं और एल्बर्ट ने बताया कि वो मिलान जाएंगे जो इटली में है और वहाँ पर कोई कॉलेज ज्वाइन करेंगे और वहाँ से कोई कॉलेज में जब जाएंगे तो मैथमेटिक्स टीचर से पहले ही ये कोई सर्टिफिकेट ले लेंगे कि हाँ मैं किसी कॉलेज में जा सकता हूँ. Well, it's up to you, he said. I doubt if it will come off, but I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. How long would you like me to say you should stay away from school? Would 6 months be all right? This is very kind of you. It's nothing. I've only just stopped being a student myself, so I know how you feel. Here you are. Dr. Whale handed him the certificate and the best of luck. अब डॉक्टर ने सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया था और यहाँ पर बेस्ट ऑफ लक भी कहा था और 6 महीने का ये कहा था कि 6 महीने तक इनको स्कूल नहीं जाना है. How much? Nothing if you have anything to spare. Invite Yuri to a meal. He's a good friend of mine and you are too, I think. Okay, अब यहाँ पर ये बात हुई कि इनने कहा कि डॉक्टर ने कोई फीस नहीं ली और कहा बस यूरी को आप एक डिनर करवा देना और वो मेरे लिए काफ़ी होगा. Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended he had and took Yuri out to a supper. Isn't it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. Yes, it's fine, Yuri agreed. 6 months is a good period. This way, you won't actually be leaving the school, so if the worst comes to the worst, you'll be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. अब यहाँ पर ये बात हुई कि अगर बाई चांस कुछ वर्स्ट होता भी है तो 6 महीने के बाद आप स्कूल फिर आके पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं अगर कुछ वर्स्ट होता है तो. यहाँ पर ये वाली बात हो रही थी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू गेट I'll never go back to the place, Albert assured him. I'm going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. Don't forget to get a reference in writing from the mathematics teacher first, Yuri reminded him. Mr. Koch willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. If I say I can't teach you anymore, and probably you'll soon be able to teach me, will that be all right? He asked. That's saying too much, sir, said Albert. It's only the truth, but all right, I'll put it more seriously. It was still a glowing reference, and Mr. Koch made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter the school or institute for the study of higher mathematics. I'm sorry you are leaving us, although you're wasting your time in my class, he said. Okay, अब मिस्टर कॉच जो मैथमेटिक्स टीचर थे उनने सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया कि ये किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट में जा सकते हैं मैथमेटिक्स की पढ़ाई करने और यही चाहिए था एल्बर्ट को. और यहाँ पर ये सर्टिफिकेट मिल चुका था। अब ये जाने वाले थे स्कूल छोड़ के मिलान।